Hello my dear students. In the previous video, chapter 4, I have discussed with you inserting text, selecting text, deleting text, copying and moving text, copy and paste, cut and paste. I think all of you have understood and learning nicely. In this video, I am going to discuss with you remaining part of this chapter. Searching and replacing text, finding text, replacing text, undo and redo button. Lastly, spelling and grammar. Searching and replacing text. Search and replace, there are two options. One is finding text, another is replacing text. Find text means whatever we have typed, if we want to find one word, we can find it. And replacing text means we can replace one text with another text. If I type the, I can replace with that. Okay. Searching and replacing text. Searching and replacing the text is very useful in long document. Find and replace feature is of MS Word provides us the option for searching a text and replacing a particular text with some other text. Finding text. To find a particular text in a document, follow the step. Click on Home tab. Click Find button in the editing group. Alternatively, we can use shortcut keys. If we press Ctrl plus F, we will find and replace dialog box appear. After that, type the text. If we want to search the find what text box, click on Find Next button. The first occurrence of the specific text is highlighted. Keep on clicking the buttons to find the subsequent occurrence of the text. When word promptly searching the document, a message box is displayed. Click OK. Click the cancel button to close the find and replace dialog box. I will type the word copy. Click on find next. Then we will find all the copy region text highlighted. We will find how many times we have typed copy. If finished, then click on close button or click on OK. Replacing text. Replacing a particular text with some other text in a document, we will follow the step. Click on Home tab. Click Replace button in the editing group. Alternatively, press Ctrl plus H shortcut key from the keyboard. We will find and replace box appear. After that, click on Replace and type the text if you want to search for find what text box. I will type copy and replace with cut. In place of copy, we will replace with cut word. Click Replace All button to replace all the occurrence of the selected text at once, or click Replace button to replace the occurrence of the search text one by one. Replace. If I click Replace All, then we will find automatically replace all the word. In place of copy, we will find cut. If I click Replace, then one by one change the word. In place of copy, we will find cut. This way we can use find and replace. After finish, we can click on OK. This way we can use find and replace text. Undo and redo buttons. The undo button is used to reverse the last action performed by us in Word, and redo button replies the last action reversed by the undo. Type the text be happy. Click the redo button on the quick access toolbar. The text disappears. whatever we have typed, BAP or whatever we have typed, it will disappear. If you want to reappears, to click on redo button on the quick access toolbar, the text reappears. Undo and redo button is very important for our typing document. If I type anything by mistake, we have done any mistake, we can go for undo, then it will come whatever we have typed earlier. Redo is for it will reverse to the next word. This way we can use undo and redo buttons. Lastly, spelling and grammar. Word automatically check the spelling and grammar of the text in a document as we type. The words we type are compared with ones available in the built-in directory of MS Word. MS Word having one directory. When we type the word, it automatically search whatever we type, it is having in his directory. If we type any mistake, we will find one red line or green line. After that, we can make it correction. Any word that is not found in the directory is mistake incorrect by word. All the spelling mistakes in a document are indicated with a red wavy underline, whereas all the grammatical mistakes are indicated by a green wavy underline. To correct the word underline with a red or green wavy line, follow the step. Right click on the word. A shortcut menu with a list of suggested word appears. For example, if I type in place of THED, if we type THED, if we type THED, we will find one red line, one green line. It will showing grammar mistake. We will just right click on that line. We will find the correct word. After that, we can select correct word. This way we can make it correction. In case we find the word we type in correct, select ignore all option from the shortcut menu. We also added to the mistake word in our in the directory, and by selecting add to directory option from the shortcut menu. Now word will not make this word as incorrect spelling. If we add the mistake word in our directory, we will not find red line or green line. We will find the word is correct. To check the word document for spelling and grammar mistake, we will follow the step. We can press shortcut key from the keyboard F5 key from the keyboard. Otherwise, click on review tab, click on spelling and grammar button. In the proofing group, spelling and grammar dialog box appear with wrong word highlighted in the not in directory selected, and list of alternate word in the suggestion section. Okay, we will find the directory. We will find spelling this word is wrong. We will find suggestion section. It is make it correction this way. We can make it change, or otherwise we can go for ignore. Now do any one of the following. Choose the word from the suggestion section. Click change to replace with misplaced word with the chosen word. Click change all to replace all the occurrence of the word in the document. Or click ignore once if we do not want to change the word. Click ignore all. The ignore all is occurrence in the document. Or click add to directory to add this word in directory so that it is no longer appear in the misplaced word. We can if we find any mistake word, we can make this correction and make it to add to our dictionary. If I type my name, we will find one red line or green line. Actually that name is not available in our MS Word dictionary. If we add this this name to our MS add to directory, we will not find next time make any red line or green line. We will find this word is correct this way. Okay, after finish of checking, we will click on OK. One request, all the students, please go through this chapter nicely. Exercise and question answer already given to you. This is the end of your chapter. Next chapter I will discuss with you formatting in MS Word chapter 4. Thank you all.